Hi everyone, this is Deepika Avasthi. I welcome all of you to this class. As you can see, students, that today we are going to solve almost 100 questions from grammar, which you can expect in any OMETS other management exams or any aptitude exam. We need to understand one thing, students. See, there are two kind of grammar questions. A lot of students think that you need to learn a lot of rules and then only you can solve all the grammar questions. Partially the correct answer is yes, but it's not always based on rules. Or other students will say, okay, I read a lot, I can speak very well, so I get my answers through sound. Okay, this sounds good, this sounds bad. To be very honest, students, you need a good mix of both. So one is known as grammar, second is known as rhetoric. Rhetoric means right diction, right word at the right place, right sentence structuring. Sometimes the sentence is not wrong, the other sentence is just better than this one. ये भी एक चीज होती है. So you need what you need to keep in mind is while you solve grammar questions, you need to know some rules for sure, but just knowing the rule is not enough, because rules are not something we revise every day. So even if you work hard a lot on rules, you might forget after a couple of days, after a month or so. So it's better to practice grammar questions. While practicing, read the explanation carefully, or say if you watch these kind of classes, listen to the explanation so that you keep revising the rules while solving the question. That's the best thing. Now today, what exactly are we going to solve? Today we are going to solve some 100 grammar questions from all the rules you can expect in exam, all kind of difficulty level you can expect in exam. Questions जो है इसमें कुछ PYQ है, कुछ non PYQ है, but what I've kept in mind while making this PPT and compiling all the question is that you will definitely expect similar questions, similar patterns, similar rules when you go for any aptitude exam, be it CET, CMAT, फिर कोई बैंकिंग एग्जाम आप साथ में दे रहे हैं, कोई गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, उसमें ग्रामर है. This particular class with 100 questions will be more than enough for you to get through any grammar question. Yes, so let's get started everyone. Okay. Now before we start, I'll just tell you how exactly we are going to solve the grammar questions here. The some portion of every question is in yellow, right? That portion is highlighted. You have to find error in the highlighted portion only. मतलब जोसेफ और जो ये व्हाइट में लिखा है उसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, right? जो भी मिस्टेक है वो येलो पोर्शन में ही है. ठीक है. Alright, so let's read. Joseph Wharton, along with his many successful business ventures, has helped shape the history of American industry. Now, whenever you solve such kind of questions, there will be some difference in the options. Ideally, generally in the last few words or first few words. अगर हमें last few words देखें तो देखो A option no change, मतलब इसमें has ही है जैसे इधर पे लिखा हुआ है. It is have, this is have, and this is has. So first we need to figure out which word do we need. So has is singular, students, right? Has is singular and have is plural, right? Like we say they have done the work, she has done the work. So abhi hame kya chahiye, singular ya plural? Now another rule we need to understand is, if I say the teacher along with the students. So यहाँ पे देखो दो subjects हैं, the teacher along with the students, plural. This is plural. First subject is singular. So whenever you connect two subjects, A along with B, you always decide according to first subject. मेरा first subject singular है तो singular, first subject plural है तो जो भी has है वो होगा. So here I am going to students is going. यहाँ पे मैं कैसे बोलूँगी? Is going to the picnic, not are going to the picnic. Is going to the picnic. So Joseph Warden along with whatever has is singular. So has है तो option B and option C will go away. Now between option A and D, what's the difference? जोसेफ वॉटन along with his, सी अगर एंड है तो फिर तो ए एंड बी आर, तो फिर तो प्लूरल हो जाएगा, तो ये हैव होना चाहिए, फिर तो ये गलती हो गया, राइट? सो डी विल आल्सो गो एंड दिस विल बी नो चेंज. द आंसर इज करेक्ट और द सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट एज इट इज. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड टू थिंग्स हियर. एक तो हमें हैज हैव का डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए. आई नो इट्स क्वाइट ऑब्वियस, बट इन माई लाइक लास्ट 10 to 12 years of teaching, I have still found almost in every class that some students get confused between has and have. So please वो मत कीजिए इस तरह का has have do does का confusion. And secondly, rule क्या था कि A along with B, जब भी along with से दो subject आप connect करेंगे तो you have to see first subject क्या है, singular या plural. उसके accordingly you will decide कि is, are, has, have, do, does क्या आएगा. ठीक है, चलिए let's move to next question. Let's read the question. Project SCORE was the first communication satellite ever put into Earth's orbit and it will be launched on December C. अब ये देखो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में क्या वॉज द फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेशन, सो पास्ट टेंस है, बाकी का सेंटेंस टेंसेज में नॉर्मली क्या होता है, टेंसेज में नॉर्मली 99% ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑनेस्टली लाइक बहुत ही क्लियर कट इसका जवाब है, आपको टेंसेज के रूल इतने जानने जरूरी नहीं है, यू जस्ट हैव टू मैच द टेंस इन मोस्ट केसेस कि अच्छा है पास्ट टेंस चल रहा है तो यार पास्ट टेंस ही होगा, इजंट इट? सो इट वाज लॉन्च्ड first first communication satellite ever to put into Earth's orbit and it will be launched on, so it was the first satellite and it was launched, मुझे चाहिए एक तो सिंगल है तो दे, so it was launched on December 18 1958. are you getting this? so tenses में सिर्फ मैच कीजिए, that is it, राइट? ज्यादा हमें सोचना नहीं है कि ये फ्यूचर का है कि पास्ट का है, बाकी का सेंटेंस किस में, पास्ट में तो पास्ट में, बाकी का सेंटेंस फ्यूचर में है तो अंडरलाइन पोर्शन हाईलाइट पोर्शन विल आल्सो बी इन फ्यूचर टेंस, लाइक दैट. Okay, question number 3. Despite the group's many musical successes, they are struggling to afford new instruments and gas money for the van. Okay. See, now despite the ग्रुप सक्सेसफुल तो है बट फिर भी अभी पैसे कमाने शुरू नहीं किए, दे आर स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग विद द मेंटेनिंग द वैन, गेटिंग द पेट्रोल एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो अब ग्रुप क्या होता है, ग्रुप इज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर, राइट? ग्रुप इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन एंड इट्स ऑलवेज सिंगुलर. आप you always say like this कि my group is very good, my group of friends is very good, or I never want to be part of any group, right? I am someone who's a loner and I'm never part of any group, right? So my group, I don't have a group, or my group is right is not so good, that's why. So group हमेशा singular होता है, और this group of people, right? if I say this group is very helpful, not are, isn't it? So group is always singular, so group के लिए आप they use नहीं कर सकते हो, right? They is wrong, so option A and B will go away. Now what we are saying, despite the group's success, it is struggling to afford, right, new instruments, or he and she are struggling. Of course it is struggling. अब group में he है she हमको we have no idea, so group के आप singular it use कर सकते हैं, so C is the correct answer. Question number 4. An ocean mammal such as the blue whale behaves quite differently than mammals that live on land. ठीक है, so an ocean mammal is my subject, correct? Now this behaves, does form, right? Again, do not please do not get confused between do and does. Does always comes with singular subjects and do comes with plural subjects. For example, he goes to market, she cooks sandwich very nicely, like that. They complete their work on time, isn't it? Complete, not completes. So an ocean mammal behaves, I need singular है तो मुझे does चाहिए, so behave is wrong, behaves is fine, A is also fine, has behaviors obviously it's wrong, right? So this is weird, so A, B and D goes away. Let's read. So an ocean mammal behaves quite differently or quite different, तो अभी differently चाहिए कि different, of course we need differently, A is correct. Why do we need differently? Because adverbs, students, adverbs are always in ly form, मतलब meaning कि अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I talk slowly, मैं बहुत धीरे धीरे बात करती हूँ, और I talk very quickly, बहुत फास्ट बात करती हूँ. I walk quickly, for example. तो मैं ये क्या वर्ब एक्शन है, कैसे बात कर रही हूँ, कैसे चल रही हूँ, वो ly में होगा, isn't it? For example, I behave nicely, so they behave differently, nicely, slowly, whatever, but ly अपने को चाहिए because adverbs end with ly, so A will be the correct answer. Question number 5. The desert rally, an endurance race by dune buggies across hostile terrain that only the fierce competitors qualify. ये क्या sentence है मैं, ठीक है? So desert rally कॉमा, तो desert rally से कोई एक ऐसा एक ये भी sentence structure है कि मैंने for example बोला he कॉमा who is wearing red shirt comma is new in this class, सो ये जो भी ही का जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन है, वेयरिंग रेड शर्ट, गोल्डन शर्ट, मेरा मेन सेंटेंस क्या है? माई मेन सेंटेंस इज ही is new in this class, right? So that's how you can read. So desert rally, what is desert rally? An endurance race, whatever जहाँ पे भी हो रही है, desert rally, that only the, so ये सेंटेंस एक मेन सेंटेंस बनना चाहिए, ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो सबसे पहले तो कॉमा दैट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर कॉमा है तो विच लिखो, और अगर दैट है तो कॉमा हटा दो. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? कॉमा विच इज फाइन, और अगर दैट है तो नो कॉमा. सो ए इज डेफिनेटली रॉन्ग. लेट्स सी द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. द डेजर्ट रैली which only the fiercest and only is a contest, right? ये सही sentence बना है, is a contest that only the fiercest competitors qualify for. So hence D is the correct answer. Question number 6, everyone. While it panted, panted means half an hour, right? So while and strained at its leash, the dog's owner attempted to restrain the puppy when it saw a squirrel at the dog park. All right. Okay. ना देखो, while it panted and strained, कौन who it मतलब कौन who was panting and straining, कौन खींच रहा था अपनी लीश? हैज टू बी डॉग. लीश किसके गले में होती है? डॉग के. डॉग ओनर की नहीं होती है. तो यहाँ पे ओनर इज द सब्जेक्ट. आप बोलोगे मैम हाउ डू यू नो ओनर इज द सब्जेक्ट? डॉग भी तो यहाँ लिखा है, पहले लिखा है. सो क्लियर. देखो ऐसी चीज, हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई द सब्जेक्ट व्हेन इट गेट्स अ लिटिल कंफ्यूजिंग? फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस केस, सो if I give you two examples, if I say Mary's bag is nice and bag of Mary is nice. So in first sentence, Mary is nice or bag is nice? What exactly am I trying to say here? Bag is nice. So जो भी subject after apostrophe s है वो subject होता है. या second sentence में क्या nice है? Again bag is nice. So word before of. So word after apostrophe s and word before of. I repeat, word after apostrophe s and word before of in the sentences are always the राइट सब्जेक्ट. वही सब्जेक्ट होते हैं और कुछ नहीं. तो यहाँ पे वर्ड आफ्टर, ये मेरा सब्जेक्ट है. बट ये तो रॉन्ग होगा बिकॉज हु इज ट्रेनिंग एट इट्स लीज, किसकी लीश है गले में? डॉग की, ओनर की नहीं है. सो ए इज इनकरेक्ट. Let's read the second sentence. The dog's owner attempted to restrain the puppy while it panted. ये ठीक है, वो puppy को करा था while it obviously immediately refers to puppy. तो ये तो ठीक है, we'll just keep this. While it panted, and again, who is straining and panted? The puppy's owner नहीं, it's puppy. ये same mistake हो रही है. The dog's owner, अब देखो अगेन ओनर इज सब्जेक्ट, और यहाँ पे फिर इट देन रेफर्स टू ओनर. ऑब्वियसली इट्स इनकरेक्ट, राइट? सो बी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 7, everyone. Now this is more of a vocab question, and that also you can expect in exam. Among grammar questions, see कौन सा right word at the right place is also part of the grammar. They are not asking for a synonym. They are asking if this word is right in this sentence or not, and if not, what will be the better word you can use for this sentence. The small house built in the field use the average building materials. So देखो small house है, छोटा सा एक घर है जिसमें कि regular building materials है, मतलब fancy ये सब नहीं है जो होता है normal basic घर, wood, stone, brick, glass, मतलब ये चार चीजों का एक basic सा simple सा घर बना है. तो ये जो regular चीजें होती हैं basic सी, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उसको arbitrary means random, right? These are not random things. Characteristic means what? For example, I always say right after every sentence. समझ आया? Right. समझ आया? Right. So this is a characteristic of my speech, my nature. इसमें ये characteristic चीजें नहीं है. These are typical stuff. मतलब of course घर में और भी fancy चीजें आप लगा सकते हो, but तो भी एक basic घर बनाने के लिए you need these 4 things, right? So these are typical 4 things you need. So stereotypical means typical, basic level. So typical or basic level. So C will be the correct word in this particular case. Now, question number 8. Beethoven's music is known for being logical yet emotive. अब देखो यहाँ पे एक pattern देखिए. This particular question is checking parallelism. Parallelism means whenever you connect 3 things in a list, A, B and C, तो ये तीनों चीजें same form में होने चाहिए. So let's read this one. Like how there's a list and it should be in the same form. So subject क्या, हम यहाँ म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करें कि जो बीथोवन का म्यूजिक है, it is known for what? Being logical yet emotive. This is my A. ठीक है. Challenging yet occasionally simple. This is my B. And third, and ये C हो गया. Unique yet, यहाँ तक ठीक है, derived from previous styles, is this similar to parallel to previous pattern? जो A और B में जो pattern है yet के बाद, क्या C में भी वही है? नहीं है, correct. So we are saying logical yet emotive, challenging yet simple, unique yet क्या बोलेंगे, yet derived, या फिर होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम वट एवर, या प्रीवियस स्टाइल्स इन्फ्लुएंस, ये तो नहीं बिल्कुल हो सकता. इट वॉज डिराइव्ड, ये एक वर्ड है, देखो येट क्या हमेशा एक वर्ड है कि क्या है, सिंपल है, इमोटिव है, क्या है, राइट. सो वॉज और इट वॉज तो बहुत ही रॉन्ग है. सो यहाँ पे ए इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, इजंट इट? आइडियली वी नीड अ वर्ड कि येट डिराइव फ्रॉम प्रीवियस स्टाइल्स के लिए एक वर्ड होता तो बेस्ट होता, पर वो नहीं है. दिस इज स्टिल बेटर देन वॉज और इट, इजंट इट? Okay. Question number 9. The intrepid. Intrepid means fearless या courageous. So the intrepid explorers of the wilderness discovered a new river. Okay. So they discovered. Past tense है. They also found a pair of mountains they named Dipyramid. तो उनको mountains मिले. Right. So अब कैसे होगा? They also discovered a new river. फाउंड कुछ तो एंड वगैरह कुछ तो होगा, ये क्या है, राइट. तो ए तो अभी ठीक लग रहा है, बी इज रॉन्ग. दे फाउंड अ न्यू रिवर. दे ऑल्सो फाइंड नहीं, फाउंड होना चाहिए बिकॉज प्रीवियस सेंटेंस इज पास्ट टेंस, सो वी हैव टू टेंसेस में जस्ट सिंपली मैच, राइट. डोंट डू नॉट थिंक मच. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट अगेन. They discovered a new river and found a pair of mountains. Right, so ये भी ठीक है. अब now we are down to option A and D. So let's just compare. First में क्या है? हाँ, अगेन ए ऑब्वियसली इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि अगेन कुछ तो चाहिए हमें. कॉमा से दो सेंटेंस कैसे आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो कि दे डिस्कवर्ड दिस, दे ऑल्सो फाउंड, एंड दे फाउंड, और समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली डी विल बी द बेस्ट चॉइस फॉर अस हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Let's read this one. Cyclone Althea devastated portions of northern Australia in December 1971. The strong winds ripped roofs off houses, hail damaged vehicles and windows, and it cost the Australian federal government close to $1 billion in modern day adjusted values. अब देखो यहाँ पे हम क्या बात करें, एक तो है साइक्लोन एल्थिया, ये साइक्लोन जो भी नाम है, इट डेवेस्टेटेड पोर्शन ऑफ नॉर्दर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन डिसम्बर. क्या डेवेस्टेट किया, अब उसका हम लिस्ट दे रहे हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स थे, उन्होंने घर के रूफ उड़ा दिए. हेल्स डैमेज्ड व्हीकल्स एंड विंडोज. सो दीज टू थिंग्स हैपन एंड इट कॉस्ट, तो ये हुआ. एंड व्हाट एंड दीज थिंग्स, ए बी and this is C. And what caused the Austrian this entire situation? Cyclone. So not they or these. The storm, the cyclone caused the Australian federal government close to $1 billion, isn't it? तो अब cyclone storm, I know it's different, but आप उसको it भी बोल सकते हो, या in this case ठीक है, हम समझ रहे कि ये क्या पॉइंट. So it costed the government close to this much money. So what we'll say, अब साइक्लोन और स्टॉर्म में थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, राइट. सो ए विल बी द बेटर चॉइस फॉर अस देन डी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. देयर आर सेवरल एक्टिविटीज दैट आई लाइक टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. मोटरसाइक्लिंग ए, running and songwriting. I think this sentence is correct. I don't find anything wrong. No. Whenever you start a list, यहाँ पे एक semicolon होना चाहिए. Whenever you start, my favorite fruits, colon, apple, comma, kiwis and mangoes. Right? That's जब भी आप list करते हो, colon is not right. So इसकी वजह से A will go. This is fine. Motorcycling. Comma से कैसे list start करोगे, full stop से भी नहीं कर सकते. So B is the correct answer. Question number 12. During his college interview, Jose was confused by several questions, including one about whatever. इसके लिए हमें बहुत पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Jose was confused with several questions, right? Confused with several questions, right? ये तो generally we can solve. The number, इस पे please focus कीजिए. The number of new bands from my hometown of Austin. द नंबर, कोई भी सेंटेंस द नंबर से स्टार्ट हुआ है तो वो हमेशा सिंगुलर ही पकड़ेगा. अगर होता अ नंबर ऑफ ब्रांड्स हैव कम फ्रॉम माय होम टाउन तो प्लूरल होता. अ नंबर इज ऑलवेज प्लूरल बट द नंबर इज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर, राइट. ये आपको याद रखना है. सो द नंबर इज सी. Both the egg and eggplant, which have little in common with one another, so we are talking both egg and eggplant, are obviously are very isn't it? So this was easy, I think. Sitting on the couch and watching TV. So two actions, sitting on the couch and watching TV were. Correct. And यहाँ पे होना चाहिए and. So this is incorrect. Sitting on the couch and watching TV were. This so seems fine. To sit and watching. You can't, this is not parallel. You can't connect to do form and doing form together. Right? It will not go. This is for sure wrong. Sitting on the couch. Okay, A to obviously galat hai because was है. So C will be the correct answer. All right, students, before we move ahead, of course, we're doing 100 questions today. But if any one of you are planning to practice more mocks, I'm very sure आपने already start कर दिए होंगे. So we have made 10 mocks for you. अभी कुछ दिन बाकी हैं आपके mocks के, तो आप ये जो 500 का offer, it is for first 100 students. And after that, of course, it will be a regular price of 1500. Right? So ये सिर्फ first 100 students के लिए. इसमें आपको सब percentile ranking जैसे exactly exam में जो interface होता है, राइट, जो पैटर्न होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी. तो आप प्लीज़ रजिस्टर कर लीजिए इसमें. राइट, आप एक मॉक देख के देख सकते हो. ऑल्सो दिस इज द नंबर इन केस यू एनकाउंटर एनी डाउट और एनीथिंग. एंड हाउ विल यू एग्जैक्टली सी दिस मॉक? आप ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए. ऐप की जो लिंक है, इट विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. देयर यू विल फाइंड फर्स्ट, दिस इज द ऐप. राइट, 100% नाम से है. सो इससे आपको मिल जाएगा. देयर यू विल फाइंड दीज मॉक. जैसे यहाँ पे CET लिखा हुआ है, वो वहाँ पे राइट, महाराष्ट्र CET 2025 मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज. सो वो है, आप उससे एनरोल करके आप डाउनलोड, पहले तो डाउनलोड करो, फिर उसमें से आपको कैट, GMAT और भी कोर्सेज मिल जाएंगे दैट यू हैव टू इग्नोर एंड देन जस्ट गो टू लर्निंग मटेरियल एंड स्टार्ट द टेस्ट. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. चलिए, लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. ठीक है, आर्चिंग देयर बैक्स एंड हिसिंग. सो आर्चिंग एंड हिसिंग आर behaviors, isn't it? Are behaviors, not is. This is also wrong. R के बाद o behavior कैसे होगा? R is plural, तो o behavior is incorrect. Are behaviors. Correct. So D. Question number 17. According to my friend, a coin collector, a number of people are seeking liberty. Head nickels minted in 1883. So according to my friend, a coin collector, a number of people, अभी मैंने बताया था, a number is always plural, so a number of people are, यहाँ तक सब correct है. Seeking liberty head nickels, so a number of people is incorrect. According to my friend, a coin collector, liberty head are being sought by. Passive voice is always avoidable. कुछ भी है, done by this, done by me, इस तरह के आप प्लीज सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर अवॉइड कीजिए. They are never correct in exam. Liberty head nickels are sought by, again passive voice, so hence sentence A is correct. Okay. Question number 18. Please read this. आप बताइए क्या इसका आंसर होगा. There was some issue with the background, so I just removed it. So please bear with it and we'll continue with question number 18. Okay. There is more than 2 decades. So 2 decades is plural. So it should be there are. Correct. So there are is here. C is the correct answer. Question number 19. 2 writers in the USA with unbelievable audacity. See, 2 writers. So were is correct. Was, is or has, all are singular. So A will be the correct answer. In this case, we did not even have to read the entire question. We could answer just by focusing on the subject actually. Question number 20. Since news of the bankruptcy came suddenly, the entire company company is singular. Company is singular. So company is. Either will say company is clearing out their desks is also wrong. Also everyone, students, is always singular, right? See, everyone is present in the class. Everyone are हम नहीं बोलते हैं. Correct. Everyone is clearing out his or her desk. Yeah, this is fine. The entire company is, ये singular है, तो फिर यहाँ there क्यों है? There doesn't go with this. So this is also incorrect, right? So C is the correct answer. All right. Question number 21. The school of fish. School is collective noun. School is like group. The group of my friends or this group of people is very nice to me. This group is very nice. This group is very talented. Isn't it? So the school of fish was, should be singular. Was easily seen. Where is it? D. So most of the grammar questions can be solved in 30 seconds. I would say the idea behind doing these grammar questions is just to make you revise all the rules यू मस्ट हैव फॉरगॉटन, यू मस्ट हैव डन, बट एक बार सारे रूल्स उसे मिक्स ऑफ रूल्स हैं, राइट। आपको जो ग्रामर क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न है वो एग्जैक्ट थोड़ा सा और थोड़ा इससे डिफरेंट मिल सकता है एग्जाम में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, Philip Ferdinand's debt which grew rapidly, so debt was, isn't it singular, debt was what ruined him in the end. Dala's apartment, see adjacent means next, like my house is next to this person's house, or adjacent to, my room is adjacent to that room, to, right, this room or to study room. So adjacent to, अब ये अगर मुझे idioms पता है, phrases पता है, then what preposition should come after which word, I can answer this question without really focusing on the meaning unnecessarily, right, on the of the entire sentence. Authors selected for authors. See now this is parallelism. Parallelism means when you connect three things in a list like A, B and C, all three statements or words need to be in the same format or same structure. So authors selected for the philosophy journal must be, so authors जो है उनके पास तीन qualities हैं, must be, first is what, respected in their field, A, और क्या होना चाहिए, शुड होल्ड एडवांस डिग्रीज होने चाहिए, बी, एंड ग्रेट डील ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस, सी, तीन चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। सो ये बार बार एंड यूज़ करने का कोई मतलब है नहीं है, दूसरा वाला एंड रॉन्ग है, एंड शुड, इजंट इट, इन देयर फील्ड एंड इज रॉन्ग, isn't it, and they should hold advanced degrees and have a great, so authors है तो his और her भी wrong होगा, right, so C is the correct answer. Okay. bursting with color, what is bursting with color, ये information किसके बारे में, that's a pale hospital patient is bursting with color, no, it must be flowers, correct, फ्लावर्स होना चाहिए। अगर आप ये ध्यान से सेंटेंस रीड करो, इट विल मेक मोर सेंस, इट विल बी मोर मीनिंगफुल। तो ये जो सेंटेंस है वो ऑब्वियसली रॉन्ग है, तो हम नो चेंज तो हटा देंगे। नाउ रीड द सेंटेंस, लेट मी नो आपको क्या लगता है क्या करेक्ट होगा। व्हाट्स बस्टिंग विद द कलर्स, फ्लावर्स है तो फ्लावर शुड बी नियर इट्स इन्फॉर्मेशन। देखो यहाँ पे भी वही है, the pale hospital patient bursting with color, patient is not bursting with color, bursting with color, pale hospital patients, friends, gift, too convoluted, too complex, such kind of sentence must always be avoided. You need to understand that all the grammar questions are simply checking if you can figure out the sentence, the right meaning in the most concise, precise and clear way as much as possible. So D seems to be the best option. The pale hospital patient appreciated her friend's gift of flowers, which was, so gift, which was bursting with color, correct. Okay, let's see this one. Despite smartphones and easy accessibility for social networks, almost half of the millennials are feeling isolated and lonely. What is millennials? Millennials are people who are basically are young in the 21st century. Okay, whatever is the meaning of millennial, right? ये unnecessary information है, just so that we can focus on the main sentence. So here we are adding the contrast कि although smartphones है, easy accessibility है, social network है, फिर भी millennials are feeling lonely is what we are saying, फिर भी. So एक contrast है. So although they have smartphones, right, they still feel, or millennials are still feeling, या तो मैं ऐसा बोलूँ, but although having smartphones is wrong, although they have smartphones, they have rather than having, isn't, they have होना चाहिए. Despite them using smartphones and easily accessing social networks, yes, despite their smartphones making, smartphone social network में access नहीं कर रहा है, वो तो खुद कर रहे हैं. So 3 should be the correct. Despite them using smartphones, millennials are feeling isolated, isn't it? So C is the correct answer. देखो पास्ट टेंस चल रहा है यहाँ पे. Plymouth was once a brand of automobiles produced in the US, but it was dissolved and absorbed into other brands in 2001. However, some investors revived or will revive the marquee, leaving the future of the Plymouth name in question. But हो सकता है उसका कुछ change करें जिससे कि उसका future, so some investors would like to, means शायद change करें कि ये तो ये डिजॉल्व हो चुका है, तो सेंटेंसेस करेक्ट. वुड लाइक टू मीन्स पसंद, चाह रहे हैं करना, विल रहे करेंगे फॉर श्योर. रिवाइव तो पास्ट टेंस में, सो इट्स द सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट, राइट, द वे इट इज ऑलरेडी. वी डोंट नीड टू चेंज द टेंसेस और मेक इट इनटू एनी अदर मीनिंग unnecessarily, I mean, right. Now, although connects contrasting sentence, yet also does that, but you can't use both together. So you rather delete one of it, especially yet. The bass guitar differs from standard guitars in that the bass has fewer strings, a longer neck, B, and the third part should also have something like lower notes. ये सब की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So which option says that? Fewer. Comparative word, comparative word, comparative word, lower notes. Are you getting this? A, B, C तीनों का same structure होना चाहिए. So fewer strings, longer neck and a lower notes. So वो कहाँ है? ऑप्शन डी में है. करेक्ट. यस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. Charles and I, it should be I because I love to play dodgeball. I love to play. Me love to ऐसा नहीं बोल नहीं सकते. So Charles and I love to play. So me is wrong. I loves to play नहीं बोल सकते. I love to play dodgeball. So of course A is also wrong. B is the correct answer. Alright. Question number 31. Christina Wahlberg can handle, she can handle this quite nicely. She can handle something quite quickly. तो जो भी बोलूँगी she can handle quite deftly. मुझे adverb जो है, I always need my adverb in ly form. I can do this like an expert. I can do this very nicely. I can do this very easily. I can do this deftly. Deftly means बहुत smartly मैं ये चीज़ कर सकती हूँ. Question number 32, everyone, please. So let's solve this now. Unethical political decisions are able to be protested by concerned American citizens. This is known as passive voice. Passive voice is almost always wrong in grammar questions in exam. जो भी आपका main subject है, see, I can say two ways. I can say I did this, or I can say this is done by me. Isn't it? This is done by me. The first sentence is known as active and this is known as passive. Passive is always incorrect. आप यो लेंदी होता है, घुमा के बोलते हैं. I did this, इस तरह के simple sentence. तो मेरा subject क्या है? American citizens, concerned American citizens. So मैं वैसे ही start करूँगी. Concerned American citizens, not like this, not like this. Now if we read the main sentence, what we are saying? Unethical political decisions. Now the decisions made by politicians is nowhere given, right? So unethical political, so concerned American citizens are able to protest unethical political decisions. So D is the correct answer. We need to stick to the main sentence and उसमें कितना हम grammatically correct कर सकते हैं, that's what we have to do without adding some extra words if possible. Okay, historical wolf hunts would include nobleman, conscripted peasant farmers, I don't know what peasant farmers, सिर्फ farmers बोल सकते थे, and trained wolfhounds, right? And trained wolf, ये तीन लोग होते थे. Though they were often injured as the wolves attempted to defend themselves with teeth. So wolf को जब वो पकड़ते थे, wolf of course अपने आप को बचाने के लिए teeth और claws से अटैक करते थे, तो वो काफ़ी injured होते थे. Now they refer to exactly who? Noblemen, wolfhounds, or everyone. So either if we can specify, though the wolfhounds were, generally wolfhounds used to catch wolves, isn't it? So we need to specify, वरना फिर they refers to maybe all, that all were injured. So rather आप इस तरह से specify कर सकते हो when there are multiple subjects. Question number 34. अब यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? This is not exactly a grammar question, but you can expect something like that in exam. We have to find a relevant conclusion to the preceding sentence. Preceding मतलब एक तो ये sentence है. If it is correct, आप no change choose कर सकते हैं. If you think this is not the last sentence or this is not the right sentence for this paragraph, which other option B, C, D should I keep as the last sentence of this paragraph? So what is it we are talking about? James was a British politician in mid 1700s who was once pressured by a large mob to reveal how he had voted in an important election. तो अगर कोई large mob पूछ रही है कि आपने कैसे वोट किया, तो एंड, तो उसके बाद जो भी जवाब होगा वोट रिलेटेड होगा rather than something related to his father, तो ये तो definitely irrelevant है, right? So option A goes away. But he declined to share this information, stating that he must keep his vote secret. ठीक है, ये vote related है आंसर, तो maybe we'll keep this. And in his later years he developed this spark with, right? So it's irrelevant to the question mob or people were asking him, and he lived whatever time, right? So B should be the correct or most relevant last line to the preceding sentence as asked. Question number 35. There are many kinds of dogs, but mine a golden retriever. अगर डैश है तो इधर पे भी डैश चाहिए, वो तो है नहीं, तो A is wrong. isn't it? A golden retriever, अगर इधर पे डैश है ये चलेगा, ब्रैकेट नहीं चलेगा, सो बी या सी में से एक करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए. अ गोल्डन रिट्रीवर इज माई फेवरेट. क्यों? ही इज़ वेरी, सो ही इज़ वेरी लॉयल एंड फ्रेंडली. एक अपने आप में एक इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस. सो व्हेन यू कनेक्ट टू इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंसेज यू डोंट कनेक्ट विथ कॉमा, you connect with a semicolon. So B is the correct answer. Got it? All right. I prefer, just give me a second. I prefer modern boat designs, and although my cousins enjoyed the interior styling of the old steamship, I considered the decor fairly pre-modern. Pre-modern means पुराने ज़माने का. So बाकी अगर आप ऑप्शंस देखो like elderly, वो भी पुराना है, but elderly is used for people. Decor के लिए हमने बोल सकते this decor is elderly or this decor is ancient. It's a wrong word. Sometimes many words will carry the same meaning, but the context, the usage can differ. So यहाँ पे primordial is okay. We don't have to make one correct thing into another correct thing unless it's making a lot of difference in the meaning. So option A, like जैसा है, no change will be correct. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to question number 37. The Cloisters is a museum in New York. So okay, Cloisters के एक न्यू यॉर्क में एक म्यूजियम है that is constructed of 4 covered walkways from Europe. Okay, उसमें 4 walkways हैं. क्या नाम है? क्यूग्जा, बोनेफोन, ट्री, सेंट समथिंग. ओके, 4 हैं. That were disassembled and transported to American soil between this and this time. Fine. क्या क्वेश्चन है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चॉइस प्रोवाइड्स द मोस्ट रेलिवेंट एंड यूजफुल सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स फ्रॉम फॉर द सेंटेंस अबव. कि और हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ओके, सो क्या जो सेंटेंस लिखा है येलो में, क्या मैं उसको ही रखूँ? कि बिकॉज वॉकवेज की बात करें, कवर्ड वॉकवेज, और फिर उसका नाम है, तो क्या यहाँ ठीक लग रहा है पढ़ के? कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो दिखी नहीं. सो मे बी ये a continent located in northern sphere. See, Europe, if you read the entire 4 lines, the focus is not Europe but the focus is Cloisters, the museum. तो मैं यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट कहाँ है ग्लोब में ये क्यों बताऊँ? इट इज़ इरेलीवेंट. क्लॉइस्टर्स अनदर वर्ड फॉर, सो कवर्ड वॉकवे इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. मैं बोलूँगी कवर्ड वॉकवे इज फ्रॉम यूरोप, क्लॉइस्टर्स अनदर वर्ड फॉर कवर्ड वॉकवेज. राइट, अगेन इरेलीवेंट. Moved from their places of origin that were disassembled and transported to American soil between. राइट, तो हम लोग यूरोप से फिर अमेरिकन सॉइल, तो ये थोड़ा सा फिर रिलेटेड है. राइट, मे बी हो सकता है. सो वी आर सीइंग द क्लॉइस्टर्स कंस्ट्रक्ट ऑफ 4 कवर्ड वॉकवेज फ्रॉम यूरोप, मूव फ्रॉम देयर प्लेसेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, पहले उनसे मूव किया, दैट वर डिसअसेंबल्ड एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू अमेरिकन सॉइल. तो ये हो सकता है क्योंकि ट्रांसपोर्ट की तो पहले अपने कहाँ से टू कहाँ तक हम लोग लेके गए. सो डी कैन बी quite relevant to or quite supporting detail for the given information. Right, so D hence is the correct answer. Question number 38. The use of robots on farms is growing rapidly since it is often more cost effective than human. So what is more cost effective? The use of robots. Using robots is more cost effective than using human workers or than the use of. So the use of not using, सेम चीज़ है बट यहाँ यूज ऑफ लिखा है तो ये भी यूज ऑफ होना चाहिए. वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग रोबोट्स विथ फार्म वर्कर्स, वी आर कंपेयरिंग द यूज विथ, दैन के बाद भी यूज ऑफ शुड कम. सो बी शुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, now here you have to figure out where sentence 4 should be placed. Sentence 4 is this. I'll give you a minute to read this sentence and figure out. If you think this is correct the way where it is right now, you can choose option A. If not, where else should you keep it? Yes, so if you read, we are talking about this Japanese battleship was built in this 1920, right? It was carrying supplies, it participated in Second World War, Sino-Japanese War, I mean, फिर World War II में भी किया, फिर उसके बाद में, right? It survived the entire World War II, then at the end we are saying that it was destroyed, right? It was destroyed in 19. So after it was destroyed, then only I will talk about the wreck of Nagato, isn't it? कि wreck जो बचा उसका टुकड़े pieces, what happened to that? Only it should come at the end after sentence 7. So D. Okay, the soldier successfully pulled his ally from the helicopter wreck, and since the flames engulfed their craft, he was unable to repair. So दिस इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग सेंटेंस कि पॉजिटिव है फर्स्ट कि सोल्जर ने अपने फ्रेंड या जो पार्टनर था उसको तो बचा लिया, बट क्राफ्ट को नहीं बचा पाया बिकॉज उसको रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते, अब पूरा इट फ्लेम्स एनगल्फ्ड, राइट? सो वी नीड बट ही प्रोटेक्टेड हिज फ्रेंड but could not like do anything for the craft, right, for the aircraft. So from the helicopter wreck, but because flames engulfed the craft, he was unable to repair the vehicle, right? Okay, the Vauxhall automobile being designed. See, being designed का क्या मतलब है? Like if I say you are being taught right, अभी आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, so something which is happening in present tense, but we don't have to say that it अभी this automobile बन रहा है, अभी economical हो रहा है. Vauxhall automobile designed to be, जिसको economical होने के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है या किया गया था, हो रहा है नहीं, किया गया है, has recently regained popularity among car collectors. So being designed is wrong, designed, right? Designed. Is it right that us workers, so we must suffer, not us must suffer, we. So this is wrong, this is wrong. We workers must suffer not despite, due to bad incompetent, bad. See, if management good है तो मैं बोलूँगी is it fair that we are suffering despite good management? अच्छा management फिर भी हम suffer कर रहे हैं, but अगर bad है तो we are suffering due to bad management, due to incompetent management. So D. All right, now question number 43 students, I'll give you a minute to first read, understand what's going on. सबसे पहले आप ये question read कर लीजिए. We have to add this sentence, right, एज ए इंट्रोडक्शन टू दिस पैराग्राफ. जो भी पूरा पैराग्राफ है उसमें हमें ऐड करना है. क्या स्टार्टिंग में सेंटेंस ऐड हो सकता है, राइट? क्या सेंटेंस है? नेक्स्ट, प्लास्टिक्स आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन यूजफुल कंस्ट्रक्शंस मटेरियल इन मॉडर्न, राइट, दिस एंड प्रोड्यूस इन वाइट. तो क्या मैं इसको ऐड करूँ या नहीं करूँ, येस और नो? पहले तो ये फिगर आउट करो. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू रीड द पैराग्राफ. 1 minute फॉर यू टू डू इट. Yes, so we are essentially talking about high density and low density plastic, the use of application of high density plastic, low density plastic. हम कुछ negative तो बोल नहीं रहे हैं कि pollution होता है, biodegrade नहीं होता है, etc etc. So yes, this useful क्या है construction material, ये हम definitely as an introduction add कर सकते हैं. So the answer is yes. Now why is it introducing the main topic or is it giving an example? It is introducing the main topic. So B is the correct answer. Okay, let's see this one. Same question, but here author is consider deleting the underline portion. में जो येलो मैंने हाईलाइट किया उसको सोच रहा है कि डिलीट कर दे. क्या करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, yes or no? I don't think deleting is a great option because on the other here we are talking about कि भाई जो low density plastics हैं उनका क्या use है. उससे पहले हम बात करें high. So we are still talking about the usage and application of plastics. It's not an irrelevant sentence. So I think it should not be deleted, isn't it? So answer should be either C or D, नॉट ए और बी. पर क्यों डिलीट ना करें, क्या रीज़न है? इट प्रोवाइड्स एसेंशियल काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट, इट प्रोवाइड्स एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर अ कंपैरिजन विद इन द ग्रुप. काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट है कि हाई डेंसिटी के, ऑन द अदर हैंड लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक आर यूज्ड फॉर दिस, इजंट इट? सो सी. Our football team currently in the running for the championship and our school tennis star. I think, sorry, we'll go back to this question. इज इट इन एसेंशियल काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट पहले सेंटेंस के अगेंस्ट में जाना कि जो हमने पहले बोला है. कंपैरिजन मीन्स वी आर मोर कंपेयरिंग कि हाई डेंसिटी ये करते हैं, लो डेंसिटी ये करते हैं. सो लेट्स रीड द सेंटेंस केयरफुली. नो, बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड्स एग्जाम्पल्स दैट आर यूज्ड एज अ की पॉइंट फॉर अ कंपैरिजन विद इन द पैराग्राफ. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एक्चुअली, कंपैरिजन विल बी बेटर. काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट पहले आपने कुछ बोला फिर उसके अगेंस्ट में बोला. वी आर नॉट सेइंग अगेंस्ट द प्रीवियस 3 लाइन्स. which is having ki high density in first three lines, last three lines with low density. This is more of a comparison. So my bad, D should be the correct answer and not C. Our football team currently in the running for the championship and a school tennis star who has dominated her recent matches. So our football team, this, and our school tennis star. A, B. So these two are putting us for a record. ये दो लोग की वजह से इस बार हमारा स्कूल एक रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करेगा. So are putting us, right? C. The pine tree, known for its majestic appearance and sweet scent, and its needles can be used to brew tea. Okay. थोड़ा तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. And its needles, known for this. The pine tree, known for whatever. ठीक है, देखते. ए थोड़ा सा मुझे क्वेश्चनेबल लग रहा है. Let's read B. The pine tree, known for its majestic appearance and sweet scent, has needles. Yes, pine tree has needles that can be used to brew tea. This sounds far better than A, right? Known for its, what is known for its majestic appearance and sweet scent? Not the needles, the tree, right? So ये wrong है. The pine tree, its needles. Pine tree is known for its, of course, and its needles. यहाँ पे sentence structure is wrong. So B is the correct answer. Neither के साथ nor आएगा obviously. Neither duck nor the goose. Goose is singular, geese उसका opposite, right? उसका वो plural होगा. So is यहाँ पे ठीक है. Is able to, but not G. Not the goose is able to, not are able to. Is तो चाहिए. Sentence is correct the way it is, right? We don't have to worry about the sentence. I think the most Japanese manufacturers cars get better. So cars get better mileage and are more. What is more reliable? Cars. Then an American auto. हम कार को कार मेकर से कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं? We need to compare car with car. We are not comparing Japanese manufacturer with American manufacturers. We are comparing manufacturers cars and American cars. So reliable than American automakers cars. Yes, right. 49. Okay, though all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator, but where they are permitted, there are restrictions on the models allowed. So what we are saying is कि वैसे तो सारे exams में, see what this says, all competitive exams do not allow. मतलब सारे exams allow नहीं करते. All do not allow मतलब कोई exam allow नहीं करते. Then why are we saying but जहाँ पे भी permitted है, मतलब कोई some exams. So we can't say all exams do not allow. That's wrong. Not all means some exams may not allow. Right? Every exam does not allow. ये भी wrong है. कुछ exams में allow नहीं होता है. So B is correct. Denouncing it. See, denouncing means criticizing. So who is criticizing as anti-democratic? The Lobbying Act. No. Criticize तो कोई person करेगा, critics. Right. So the critics slammed the Lobbying Act, which imposes limits on. So C is the correct answer. Question number 51. Okay. While people in Middle East have, see अगर while है तो but is not necessary. A, C. While people in Middle East have good reason to feel gravely threatened by terrorism, but is wrong. Elsewhere in the world, it is more that. It apostrophe S means it is. It means of something, right? Of it. Like, for example, if I say it's a class and its topic, it is a class and its topic is grammar. आपको समझ आ रहा है? Its topic is vocabulary, is grammar, whatever. Right? So we need this B and not D. Long-term risk is rarely taken by air quality indices into account. By, again passive voice, taken by air quality indices. तो ये air quality indices rarely take long-term risk into account, which is option A. हमेशा active voice choose कीजिए over passive voice. The solution that he worked out was not only correct but complicated. So first of all, not only but also is a pair. But with not only but also students you connect to similar sentences. For example, if I say you're not only punctual, मैं आपको अच्छा हो, you're not only punctual but also quite regular in classes, so I'm praising you. Or I can say you're not only late today but quite irregular in most of the classes, तो मैं आपको दोनों में नेगेटिव बोल रही हूँ. So not only but also connects either both sentence, both the words or sentences should be positive, या दोनों ही नेगेटिव होंगे, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. तो यहाँ तो करेक्ट पॉजिटिव है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नेगेटिव है. So this is not possible. If you want to connect contrasting sentences like this, but is right, that you are a good person but not a great student, I can say, or you are a good student but not a great person, something like that, right? So B, as there was no place in the compartment, he shifted to the second. We don't shift, we keep moving कि हाँ अच्छा इधर जगह नहीं मिली, let's move to the next compartment. So we move, we don't shift. तो एक तो moved होना चाहिए. B and D goes away. As there was no room or no seat, कोई जगह नहीं थी, not seat as such, कोई जगह नहीं थी खड़े होने की या बहुत crowded था इस वर्ड. So no room मतलब कोई जगह नहीं है. So A. Room does not always means the room, the room हमारे घर पे होता है. Room means there is no, कोई जगह नहीं है, like that. Whoever is chosen as the new chief, chief is singular, तो they is wrong. It is also wrong, तो option D will also go, A and D. Whomever नहीं, whoever, right? So C. Question number 57. The cricketer whose record is exemplary, whose record, not who is, इसका मतलब होता है who is, whose record is exemplary, bagged an 8 years contract or 8 year contract. So भले 8 है, 8 is plural but still 8 year, not 8 years. कितना भी बड़ा contract 20 years का हो तो bagged an 20 year contract, bagged, sorry, एन में तो चल गया, 8 में एन है. सो एन 8 ईयर्स कभी नहीं हो सकता है एन के साथ, राइट? सो ईयर एन 8 year कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बैग्ड अ 20 year कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, लाइक दैट. सो डी. वेदर और नॉट द रूमर्स आर ट्रू is besides the point. This sentence seems good in its own. So whether or not the rumors are true is ठीक है, is beside the point. Is beside या besides means is beyond the point. like rumors सही है तो मेरी लाइफ में क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, rumors गलत है तो मेरी लाइफ में क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, is what. So is beyond the point, it's not even the point, is what we are saying. So is beside sentence is correct, D as it is. If I were the prime minister of the country, I would make economic. If I were, I would make. आप कुछ भी hypothetical, मैं हूँ नहीं प्राइम मिनिस्टर, पर अगर मैं होती, इफ अगर मैं होती मतलब मैं बोल रही तो मैं ये कर देती. ना मैं हूँ ना मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ, बट अगर. सो इफ आई वर आई वुड. सो सी. Actual evidence of misconduct may not be the most important criteria. See, actual evidence of misconduct is singular, so this should be criterion. Criteria is plural. मुझे चाहिए criterion. So criteria is plural. Criterion is fine. Right. B and C. The most important criterion in determining whether a president gets impeached or whether a president. Okay. Any which way. So what's the difference in determining whether to determine if? So this is a very important criteria to determine something, isn't it? In determining थोड़ा word ही हो जा रहा है, that's all, बाकी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. That so to determine, so always prefer a to do form than doing form, actually it's the simplest. So C. Okay, let's read this one. The decision to pull the US out from the Paris Agreement by President drew heavy criticism within the. See, एक तो president का decision था, what? To pull the US. So the president's decision, not the decision by the president. Decision by the passive voice हो गया. So this will go. Now between C and D, the decision to pull the US out of the Paris Agreement drew. अब उससे बहुत criticism आया, कहाँ से? Within the US. US के अंदर तो था ही, US के प्रेसिडेंट डिसाइड किया तो वहाँ तो उन लोग बाहर के लोगों से, इंक्लूडिंग चाइना ऑल्सो, बट इंक्लूडिंग इन चाइना, हैवी क्रिटिसिज्म इन US and in China is what we are trying to say. So D is the correct answer and not C. One of the problems is plural, so that occur, right? ये सही है. As a result of, so occur होना चाहिए, so A and B is wrong, this is fine. As a result of coal mining, are the increasing incidences of lung cancer, या is the increasing incidence of कि increasing बहुत ज़्यादा lung cancer अब लोगों को हो रहा है. So are the increasing, so the one of the problems, पर प्रॉब्लम एक है कि ये जो लंग कैंसर के बहुत सारे जो सिचुएशंस या बहुत सारे केसेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं. सो इंसिडेंस ऑफ Germany's NATO framework nation concept is a groundbreaking project that serves both. ठीक है, if I say that two people A and B both serve at the same firm, दोनों की सर्विस एक ही फर्म में है, both serve at this XYZ firm. But if there is one person only, like if I say, see यहाँ पे बोलते B, so B will do both the task, both what, this and that, will do both, serve this and that. So both serve, एक तो both serve या serve both, ये आपको देखना है. both है स्टार्टिंग में, तो मतलब दो सब्जेक्ट्स है. बट इफ यू रीड केयरफुली, जर्मनीज नेटो फ्रेमवर्क कॉन्सेप्ट इज अ ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट दैट सर्व्स बोथ द पर्पस. उसके बाद दो पर्पसेस हैं, दो इससे दो पर्पसेस होते हैं, तो इट सर्व्स बोथ, इट नॉट बोथ सर्व्स. यू गेटिंग दिस? इट सर्व्स बोथ. व्हाट डज इट सर्व? टू इंक्रीज military capacity and to create European defense, not create, right? So D is the correct answer. The sheer number of cars on the roads has all but paralyzed the traffic in the city. So the sheer number of cars, अगर the है, the sheer number of cars, तो singular होगा हमेशा students. अगर if it would have been a in place of the, then it would have been plural. The sentence would have been plural. So the sheer number of cars has, not have. This spelling is wrong here, so no correction required. Being an industry expert, I was hoping, see always understand the meaning here, कि अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट है, मैं बोलूँ कि सिंस यू आर एन इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट, आई वॉज होपिंग इफ यू कैन गिव मी सम टिप्स ऑन हाउ टू सक्सीड एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. नॉट बिग, मैं इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट हूँ पर मैं आपसे टिप ले रही हूँ कि आप मुझे बता दो कैसे मैं सक्सेस. मैं हूँ एक्सपर्ट तो आई विल गिव यू टिप्स. इफ यू आर, देन यू विल गिव मी द टिप्स. सो बीइंग एन इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट डज नॉट मेक sense here. As you are an industry expert, I was hoping if you could give me, I hope that this happens. I hope if this happens, I hope that, isn't it? So D. Fighting a rising tide of illegal fishing. Who is fighting? Read कीजिए sentence. 4 boats are fighting? No. Island nation is fighting. So this is the subject. Please look at the answer by yourself. I'll explain in like 30 seconds. So who is fighting? The island nation. The island nation, the island nation. 4 boats are not. So see, island nation is singular. So it has set fire in its waters, होना चाहिए, ना कि there. Right, in its water, ना कि there. So option C is the correct answer. Yeah. 68. Researchers have recently discovered a bacteria, okay, जिसका नाम है Idonella, in a recycling plant that eats one of the most common forms of plastic. ठीक है, fine. अब let's read. Researchers have discovered a bacteria, Idonella sickensis, that eats one of the most common forms of plastic in a recycling plant. ठीक है, इसको I'll just keep it. Researchers have discovered Idonella, a bacteria. See, पहले तो bacteria is plural. Bacterium, एक बैक्टीरिया तो अ बैक्टीरियम होना चाहिए, तो मुझे इसमें ही प्रॉब्लम है. Bacterium is better. Now between C and D, a bacterium that eats one of the, see bacterium और उसका नाम is quite far. This is wrong. Name, then bacterium. It does what? It eats plastic, and they have found Idonella. Where they have found? Discovered in a recycling plant. So D is the perfect statement. My mother bought ice cream for my brother and me, but she didn't buy one for herself. For herself. Correct. My brother and me, not I. C and D will be wrong. Not even myself. Okay. The striking panorama panorama of elegantly restored Baroque buildings along the Elbe. Panorama provides, not provide, right? Provides a city all but wiped off. Double off होना चाहिए. Let's check in the options. यहाँ पे है. So D is the correct answer, right? So not that tricky, although it looked a little tricky. Just as every generation believes it is better than the others. So every generation क्या है? हर एक generation. Singular subject. Singular. So they is wrong. They is wrong. It is, not it's better. It is better. So D. Okay. 72. Remains of the tomb of Ottoman. Remains is my sub of tomb of whoever, जो भी सुल्तान है, right, who died during this war, something. Remains are believed to be found recently. So क्या correct answer होगा? देखिए, अगर आपको ऐसे डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप कंपेयर भी कर सकते हैं. देखो लास्ट वर्ड देखो तो इज आर, या कुछ और डिफरेंस है तो यू कैन जस्ट लुक एट द डिफरेंस इन द ऑप्शंस एंड देन आल्सो यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर. सो वी हैव द आंसर हियर. Question number 73. Pack your own fare so that you will be less apt to give in. So to give in means I give in, I gave up. Right? To gave up to नहीं, gave up to something. I gave up to the pressure. I gave in to this temptation, like that. So give in, not giving into. इस तरह से सही नहीं है. To temptation. So less apt to give into. During flight, the combination of A and B, the combination reduces. So I am sensitive to harsh words. I am sensitive to nothing. Right? So you're sensitive to something, not for. For is wrong. You're sensitive to salt or sweet, anything. My teeth are sensitive to salt, to sweet, to cold things. For a long time, scientists thought that depths of the ocean, for the most part, was depths है तो verb होना चाहिए. But for the most part means, if I say for the longest time I thought most of the grammar questions, for the most part, are checking grammar. Later I realized it's not just grammar but vocabulary, sentence structure too is what is being checked. So for the most part, not parts. पहले तो ये होगा द डेप्थ ऑफ द ओशियन वॉज डिवाइडेड. द अब ओशियन है, ओशियंस भी नहीं है, सो आइडियली वी शुड चूज सी ओवर डी. द डेप्थ्स ऑफ द ओशियंस, अदरवाइज वी कुड हैव सेड. या ओके. ब्रिटिश स्टार एंडी मुरे हैज क्रेडिटेड, यू क्रेडिट पिलाटीज विथ, आई क्रेडिट दिस, आई क्रेडिट माई हेल्थ विथ a good workout and healthy diet, isn't it? Credit for नहीं, credit with. So he credit with यहाँ पे given है. So the prepositions में what I can do is, I understand हो सकता है ये हमें click करे एग्जाम में नहीं करे. So I'll be sharing the preposition list students in the group, तो please group join कर लेना, right? और मतलब हाँ वहाँ पे मैं शेयर करूँगी, तो प्लीज़ आप फाइल वाले सेक्शन में जाके, अगर ये वीडियो आप थोड़ा लेट देखते हो, नॉट एग्जैक्टली टुडे व्हेन इट इज़ बीइंग पोस्टेड, तो प्लीज़ आप फाइल्स में आज की डेट देखिए वीडियो की, और फाइल्स में उसी डेट पे चेक कर ले, आपको फाइल मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. Question number 77. The deal is contested by Kosovo's opposition parties, saying it cedes territory to Montenegro, a claim the government rejects. Okay. ये sentence I don't know, I'll just keep it for a while. Who is saying? Saying it cedes. Who is saying? The deal is saying? No, A is wrong. Saying it cedes. Who is saying? Opposition party is saying. Saying it cedes. यहाँ पे वो बोल रहे हैं और फिर लास्ट में लिखा है claim. Claim क्या है? कुछ बोलना. तो saying should not be in the start actually. Saying should be later. The deal is contested by the parties which से parties बोल रही है कि ये टेरिटरी को रोकता है, विच इज़ अ क्लेम जो गवर्नमेंट रिजेक्ट करती है. ठीक है, सी सीम्स ओके. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद डी एक बार फिर से रीड कर लेते हैं. डील इज कॉन्टेस्टेड बाय कोसोवोज ऑपोजिशन पार्टी. ओके, व्हेन वी से सेइंग it refers to deal is saying, but actually party is saying. So which है तो it makes it clear. So C is the correct answer and not D. 78. The president has in particular taken umbrage. Umbrage means offense. तो उसने उन्होंने I take offense at anyone who talks rudely. So you take offense with me, you took offense at something. I took offense at such language. So offense at, right? Umbrage at, about, to, on, at. So preposition list में share कर दूंगी students. Although theoretical merits of the breakthrough, तो ब्रेक थ्रू क्या होता है? कोई अचीवमेंट, कोई इन्वेंशन, कोई डिस्कवरी. सो इसके जो मेरिट्स हैं कि हाँ इट्स अ ग्रेट इन्वेंशन, ये तो हमें पता चल गया, बट इट्स प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन, इट्स एक्चुअल यूसेज केम टू फ्रूएशन ओनली 10 साल के बाद ही वो एक्चुअल यूज होना शुरू हुआ वो इन्वेंशन. ऑल्दो वी न्यू कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी यूजफुल. सो वी आर सेइंग टू थिंग्स. ऑल्दो द मेरिट्स ऑफ द ब्रेक थ्रू वर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, इट्स मतलब इस ब्रेक थ्रू के जो प्रैक्टिकल है, सो ये इट्स भी ठीक है. द मेरिट्स वर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, तो ये तो करेक्ट है. वॉज, वर इज ओके, वर इज ओके, राइट. इट्स प्रैक्टिकल, नॉट देयर प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? इट्स प्रैक्टिकल. सो ये होना चाहिए या डी होना चाहिए, राइट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस? दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. So D is the correct answer. I mean no correction required. Question number 80. Even as the fans fight, between is for two, among is for more than two. So fans fight among themselves, not amid or within themselves. Fans fight amongst. Now what's the difference between amongst and among? No difference as such. You can use whichever you like. Amongst is UK English, among is US English. Generally people use amongst because it sounds very, I don't know, nice when you say amongst rather than among. So it's your choice, whatever, however you want to use it, like basically whichever word you want to use it. Now we are saying the captain first subject as well as the player. So subject A, subject B, the captain as well as the player. So जब भी as well as से दो subject connect होते हैं, we always agree with the first subject. तो captain is, ना कि are. So captain is anxious. So ये ठीक है. Yes, D is the correct answer. Question number 81. The committee has insisted that, I insist that you finish this work today. I insist that he go to shop right now. So he not recuses, he recused. जब भी insist that होगा तो do form of verb you will use. So I insisted that he recuse himself, not recuses, recuses or recuse. So no correction required. Actually we don't even have to read further, right. इतने में ही process of elimination से आंसर आ गया. ऑल्सो कमिटी इज सिंगुलर. हैव कब से आने लगा वैसे भी? ओके. डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ, डबल ऑफ होना चाहिए, राइट. डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ, तो उसमें ही हमारा बी और डी चला गया. दो डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट रिमेन्स अ कंसर्न. न्यूक्लियर प्लांट्स आर ऑफन सब्सिडाइज बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टडी. कार्बन फ्री पावर प्रोवाइडेड टू देम. क्या कार्बन फ्री पावर हम न्यूक्लियर प्लांट्स को देते हैं या वो देते हैं हमको? दे प्रोवाइड, isn't it? Not provided, they provide. So C is the correct answer. 83. The position of tiny hyaid bone in our jaws. The position gives us fine muscular control over our mouths and tongues. हम सबके अलग अलग माउथ है, टंग से सेम नहीं है. सो आर माउथ्स, राइट, नॉट आर माउथ. सो डी. Like our homes, right, have a lot of plants. सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ plants होंगे mostly. In a world of tight budgets, recycling content is not so much an option but a necessity. Not जैसे either or, neither nor होता है, वैसे ही not and but is a pair. Not and rather is no pair. So not but rather नहीं, not as भी नहीं, not so much but a necessity. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो होगा ना, नॉट सिर्फ नॉट नहीं हो सकता, ये भी गलत है. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 85. मोस्ट पीपल कोप विथ. कोप अप कुछ नहीं होता है यार. मेनी पीपल से कोप अप, आई एम कोपिंग अप, बट कोप अप कुछ नहीं होता. कोप, राइट. कोप या कोप विथ समथिंग मैक्सिमम, तो अप कभी नहीं आता है. सो प्लीज़ आप ये चीज़ ना तो यूज़ करो राइटिंग में, ना बोलने में, ना ग्रामर में. कोप विथ एंग्जाइटी by reaching for food rather than, okay, by reaching rather than dealing, reaching People cope with anxiety या वो खाना खाते हैं rather than dealing with their own feelings. So reaching and dealing, so D is the correct answer. 86. Mother dolphins whistle. देखो mother dolphins is one subject. Whistle to their calves, to their kids frequently after birth so that the calves will learn recognizing their किसी खुद की distinctive whistle या mother की. अभी obviously when I read the sentence we know it's mother's distinctive whistle because they are whistling to their kids, right? But when there are multiple subjects like ये dolphins है, calves है, so it's better to use the subject very specifically just for the clarity, just for the it's better rather than using their. ठीक है, just उस reason की वजह से D will be the best option. Also, so that the calves learn, not will learn. तो C वैसे भी correct नहीं हो सकता. They learn to recognize, not learn recognizing. 87. I have met the director yesterday. I met the director yesterday, and he assured me that he will help. See, दो बार will नहीं आ सकता. I will help you if you ask me. He will help if you ask. Not you will ask, you ask. So I met the director yesterday and he assured me that he will help if you ask him. If you ask, not will again. So B is the correct answer. Question number 88. Many we need to understand two things here, students, before we solve the question. If I say many students are present, students, many a student is present. So what we are trying to say is many इसके बाद में सब कुछ plural होता है. Many is plural. Obviously we know that students are, but many a, अगर many a आ गया तो then everything will be singular. Student is everything. So many a thrilling discovery in mice has, right? In mice has. So discoveries is wrong, have is wrong. So sentence is correct. No correction required. Despite the company's poor performance, its उसका जो, not it is, its chief executive has continued to receive a generous pay which far exceeds his counterparts pay. Counterparts से compare counterparts pay or salary. Correct. So B is the correct answer. Apostrophe हमें चाहिए जिसका वही meaning है. Of all the suggestions, so I received say 10 suggestions. Of all the suggestions received, his were सबसे, so मुझे 10 मिले. This person got the best suggestions, not the better. His were the most practical, right? अगर हम सबसे compare करें तो more नहीं, the most. So his suggestions were more नहीं, his the more were the most. Yes, C is the correct answer. Now question number 91. The debris means जब भी कोई building collapse होती है, earthquake या ऐसा कुछ भी होता है तो all the dead bodies, ये वो चीज़ें जो भी मिलती हैं, right, उसको हम debris बोलते हैं. So debris was removed. See, disposed यहाँ पे हमें या तो double off लिखो या फिर simply को it was disposed, simple, right? So option B and D will go away. Now debris were removed, right? Was नहीं were. So option A is the correct answer. अब देखो यहाँ अगर मैं बोलूँ कि question is not this but that, मतलब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ question क्या है. I'm not asking you question. I'm telling you. I'm informing you what the question is. I'm saying the question is not how to solve this. The question is what's the correct answer. हम ये discuss नहीं कर रहे कैसे सो करें. Answer क्या है? या question is not what's the correct answer. Question is how to. What's the process. ऐसा कुछ और है तो I'm just telling you. I'm not asking you anything. So यहाँ पे भी बताया जा रहा है question क्या है. पूछ नहीं रहा है कोई भी. So this question mark actually is wrong if you read carefully. The question is not whether stock market blah blah blah, but कब होगा. Question is, so question is this, not this but that. तो हम बता रहे हैं. We are not asking, we are informing here. Informing, not asking. Are you getting this? Yeah, so no question mark needed. D is the correct answer. न्यू रिसर्च सजेस्ट दैट कैश ग्रांट्स टू द पुअर इज एज गुड एज होना चाहिए, is as good. Also the cash grants are not is are as good, are as good as, are as well as good as, it not are as good, are as good as, if not better than के बीच में क्यों कॉमा आएगा, better than फिर कॉमा आना चाहिए, करेक्ट. सो C is the correct answer. 94. Had it not been for the chieftain's efforts, the dispute would, कुछ भी अगर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस में है स्टूडेंट्स तो फिर नेक्स्ट में हमेशा वुड आएगा, विल कभी नहीं आएगा. सो द डिस्प्यूट विल इज रॉन्ग, हैड इट, राइट, बी इज रॉन्ग, इफ इट हैड नॉट बीन रॉन्ग. या तो आप बोलोगे हैड इट बीन, या इफ इट वर नॉट फॉर द, इफ इट वर नॉट फॉर फिर द chieftain's efforts, then like this. So this sentence is also wrong. डी में विल है ऊपर आप देखो तो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. सो ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. सोल्ड ऑन द ब्लैक मार्केट. व्हाट इज सोल्ड ऑन द ब्लैक मार्केट फॉर $1 पीस? क्या बिक रहा है? थीव्स बिक रहे हैं? नो, एवोकाडो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो ये मेन सेंटेंस रॉन्ग है. आई विल गिव यू अ मिनट, फिगर आउट द करेक्ट आंसर बाय योरसेल्फ. Okay, let's read the options. Sold on the black market for $1 a piece. पहले तो ये a piece जो मेन क्वेश्चन में लिखा है थोड़ा अलग अजीब सा लिखा. पर पीस इज वॉचिंग, सेपरेट होना चाहिए a piece. Thieves are not sold on the black market for $1. Sold on the black market, thieves are not sold. Since avocados are sold on the black market for $1 a piece, ठीक है. थीव्स टारगेट एवोकाडोस और ऑर्चर्ड्स एज दे कैन इजीली पिक द थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डॉलर्स. ये अपॉस्ट्रॉफी किस खुशी में है, राइट. तो यहाँ पे भी ये ओ पीस है, तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा क्यों है. सिंस एवोकाडोज आर सोल्ड ऑन द ब्लैक मार्केट फॉर $1 a piece, thieves target avocado orchards as they can easily pick thousands of. So this is perfect, isn't it? No error at all. Question number 96. If there were, इफ़ के बाद में स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा वर होगा. इट विल, यू कैन नेवर यूज वॉज, ये समझ लो, नेवर. या तो देर वर, इफ़ आई वर द प्रेसिडेंट, या इफ़ आई बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट. फिर फ्यूचर, अगर ये तो प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा, पास्ट है तो वर ही होगा, वॉज नहीं हो सकता पास्ट में. सो वॉज इज ऑलवेज 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 रॉन्ग. इफ़ देर वर एवर अ टाइम, यस, नॉट टाइम्स, अ टाइम. इफ देर वर एवर अ टाइम, देखो मेन सेंटेंस भी रॉन्ग है तो अपने को मिल ही गया है. व्हेन क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इज अ मॉरल इम्पेरेटिव एंड क्रेडिबिलिटी अ कैलामिटस सिन, इट इज नॉट. सो बी इज करेक्ट. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है, यू थिंक you need better explanation, more explanation, or maybe some other option which you think like मैंने शायद शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन किया पर आपको डिटेल में समझना है, यू कंफ्यूज बिटवीन टू ऑप्शंस, प्लीज आस्क मी इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. The intent of this class was not exactly just the practice but also for you to revise all the grammar questions. कि भाई इतने सारे क्वेश्चन में अब आपको कुछ भी एग्जाम में आएगा तो एटलीस्ट आपको वो रूल क्लिक होना चाहिए जल्दी. और 30 सेकेंड्स में कैसे कंपेयर करके ऑप्शंस को हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, सिर्फ रूल्स नहीं है, दोनों का हम कॉम्बिनेशन कर रहे थे. नाउ आई सॉल्व अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वेरी क्विकली, नॉट बिकॉज आई वाज सॉल्विंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई वाज जस्ट शोइंग यू कि एग्जाम में कैसे आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन 30 सेकेंड्स में सॉल्व कर सकते हो. बट ऑफकोर्स व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग आपको हो सकता है कुछ क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट लगे एंड यू विल नॉट बी कंफर्टेबल सॉल्विंग सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन 30 सेकेंड्स. यू मे नीड मोर टाइम, लाइक 1 minute 10 minutes. सो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू पॉज द वीडियो एंड देन उसमें आप टाइम लेके सॉल्व कीजिए, ठीक से एक्सप्लेनेशंस देखिए. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप सेम स्पीड पे करो. रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस का यही पॉइंट होता है कि आप कम टाइम में बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, अपने सेल्फ पेस पे वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. अगर लाइव क्लास होता तो शायद मैं हर क्वेश्चन के बाद आपको 2 मिनट देती टू सॉल्व, देन आई वुड हैव टोल्ड यू द ट्रिक, बट द पॉइंट हियर इज कि आप अपने पेस पे देखो, फास्ट अगर आपकी ग्रामर अच्छी है, यू जस्ट नीड अ रिविजन, आप इसको एक बार में देख लो, अगर राइट मे बी स्पीड इंक्रीज कर लीजिए। अगर नहीं है, आपको लग रहा है अभी भी गलत हो रहे हैं, तो हर क्वेश्चन को एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिए, स्टॉप करके वीडियोस देखिए। सो इट्स अ सेल्फ पेस्ड वीडियो फॉर एवरीवन। बिफोर वी मूव हियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव 10 फुल लेंथ CET मॉक्स फॉर यू। फॉर फर्स्ट 100 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हमने ये प्राइस रखा है 500, उसके बाद में प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। सीट्स आर फिलिंग अप फास्ट, इसमें एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न है जैसे एग्जाम में होता है, तो आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। फॉर दिस यू हैव टू डाउनलोड द ऐप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। 100% ऐप का नेम है, जहाँ पे आपको MSCT मॉक्स मिल जाएंगे। आप लर्निंग मटेरियल सेक्शन में जाइए, वहाँ से यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक बाय एंड देन स्टार्ट टेकिंग द टेस्ट। कुछ भी आपको डाउट्स या क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो ग्रुप है, आप वो ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, फ़ोन नंबर भी गिवन है, फिर तो वो आप देख सकते हैं। सो येस, दैट इज़ इट एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडे। आई विल सी यू सून टुमारो विद अनदर सेशन। बाय एवरीवन।